I'm here to show you cooking techniques. Special recipe, good for health. It's our okra. The okra is good for health. They have everything what you need. Boil the water here. Wait and apply your okra. Boil the okra from 8 to 10 minutes. For me, 8 is fine to make it not too soft, not too hard. I have the knife. It's just a small knife because it's just a salad. You don't need a big one. Now here, first I have the garlic. Chop. Set. Onion. Chop the onion. Chop nicely. Result. This is the orange bell pepper. This is the tomato. Okay. This is the vinegar. Vinegar for dressing. Make sure. Next, olive oil. Okay. Sugar.
Okay.
Sugar. Okay. Salt and pepper.
Oh.
You have to whisk it. You have to make sure that you mix the apple cider vinegar. You're gonna add the garlic in your dressing.
Mm-hmm.
You have to mix it together to make it a perfect dressing. Now, I got that. Done.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Did it say the 8 minutes done? Yes. The okra. There we go. The set. The onion. The tomato. Your dressing. Good for your health. My health, your health. Then mix it together. Add the chopped garlic that's been left, put it in the top.
That's it. Okay.
This is it. It's ready to serve. Enjoy. Oh, perfect. Yum.
Okay.
Ba-da-ba.
That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and watch the next video.